Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm dealing with a 2001 Chevy Malibu, a 3.1 liter engine. It's throwing an error code or a check engine code of P0300, which is a multiple random misfire. What I've done is taken off all the spark plug wires and I've put a dab of dielectric grease inside each boot and on the top of each plug, and then I've reattached the spark plug wires, all 6 cylinders, and 3 in the front and 3 in the back. Now I'm going to let you take a look at the coil. On the coil pack on the rear of the engine above the back 3 cylinders, I took off the first boot off cylinder number 5, and you can see how rusty it is right here. So what I'm going to do is just take a light abrasive and just wipe that down a little bit. Before you go changing out your coil packs, you might want to try this. I've made my way down. This is the 5th pin on the coil pack. Only the second one was relatively clean, but they all have rust on it. So what I've been using is just a light abrasive and just wiping them down and getting that rust off. Just remove one cap at a time so you don't get the boots mixed up and put it on the wrong cylinder by accident. As you can see, I've wiped down all the pins on the coil pack. Now I'm just going to take some dielectric grease and just put a dab on the pin itself and inside the corresponding boot, and just snap it back on. And I'm going to do this for each one on the coil pack. When you put the dielectric grease on, you don't need a lot, just a dab on the pin itself, as I said, and then another dab inside the boot. This will help with the continuity of the spark and just make the connection better. Alright, all the coils are done. Put dielectric grease on all of them, wiped them down. I was getting that check engine code P0300, so I'm going to start the car now and see if it's still there or how the engine sounds. Alright, the engine sounds better than it did. It was misfiring earlier. A little bit of a shake to it. The check engine light, the P0300, that's off now. I didn't reset it, it went off by itself. So at least that turned off. I'm going to keep an eye on this and just see what develops. But if you do get that P0300 code, you could try what I did on your engine, and it might help you at least clear the code and hopefully, you know, get you home safe. So thanks for watching. If you want to leave a comment down below, good, bad, or indifferent, feel free. If you haven't already subscribed, consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.